capitalist, so it's great.
Orang dari mana?
Nah,
Dari mana? Dari
orang ni Jerman dengan Itali.
Oh. Name
I'm Nila. Alessia.
Jerman. Aceh. Ayam lu nak tahu punya Hamburg. Lu nak tahu punya Hamburg. Saya pernah pergi ke Hamburg.
He went to Hamburg.
Hamburg.
Pernah salat di Masjid Turki di belakang bank apa itu?
He went to the mosque in Germany.
Toko Indonesia. Nah, toko Indonesia ini apa? Hamburgnya di Tahlekrung, driver.
Yeah.
Kenapa mereka suka ke Masjid Raya?
He asked why you like to come here to this.
Mosque Baitur Rahman.
This mosque.
What you like Mosque Baitur Rahman?
Beautiful, cantik.
Oh yes.
Very nice place.
Itali, Jerman.
Yes, Italy.
Jerman.
Germany.
Saya belum pernah ke Itali.
Kena pergi Itali, Pak.
Ya?
Pergi Itali. Pergi.
Belum. No many. Apa yang dilihat dari Masjid Baitur Rahman? Apa yang bisa dikesankan? Gimana cara bilangnya?
Baitur Rahman mosque. What you can see. What else you can see?
Di Jerman kan sudah banyak Muslim itu. Saya pernah lihat di toko satu jalan satu toko tuh, dari 10 toko 3 toko tuh punya orang Turki.
Turki ya. Jerman. Turki.
Dekat bank apa?
Yeah.
Saya lupa.
Kids are so cute.
Apa berdua aja mereka?
Dia berdua.
Sudah kemana aja sama di Aceh? You around Aceh?
Where have you been around?
Just here.
Oh,
Tsunami Museum.
Tsunami
Also. Yeah.
also.
If you
Shy. You're the translator. It works well, but normally you're the
Jerman, Jerman is the best. Road Jerman is best. Highway Jerman.
Oh yeah, you can just go very fast.
Saya pernah berjalan dari Ayam, Kiban dan Gajah. Kalau jalan apa namanya? Kita berjalan. Ayam walk, Denmark,
Really?
Highway Jerman,
Hello.
Holland.
Oh wow.
Holland is museum. Museum Brunvik.
Okay,
Brunvik.
yeah.
Belgia, France,
Yeah.
Eiffel.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
I am not speak English,
Okay. That's okay.
so I speak body language.
Very good. That's very Italian approach, just speaking like sign language and hand language. Alright.
Okay, I am journalist.
Alright, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.